In this video, I'm going to show you how to make steak frites, steak and fries, but not just your plain old fries. I'm going to be making some garlic Parmesan fries. They're going to be fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside using this double fry method. And I'm going to be cooking it in good oil, coconut oil. Also, I'm going to show you the steps on how to properly cook a steak. So let's dive right in. Before we even grill our ribeye steaks, we're going to temper them at room temperature for about 1 to 3 hours, as long as they get to 43 to 45 degrees to ensure even cooking. Once they're tempered, we're going to pat it dry. Then we're going to pour some good extra virgin olive oil right on top. Massage it into the steaks. Now we're going to season it generously with some Redmond real salt on all sides. And also add some freshly grounded black pepper. Now to make the frites, I'm going to peel some potatoes. So now we're going to slice the potatoes a 1/4 inch thick. And then I'm just going to stack a few, and we're going to cut these into 1/4 inch matchsticks. Like so. Not perfect, but that's okay. So I've got a bowl of cold water here, and I'm going to soak the fries in the cold water. So I've got the potatoes in a bowl of cold water. We're going to let it soak for about 15 minutes. Next, I'm going to mince some garlic. Okay, we're going to put it in a little bowl. And I've also got some parsley that I'm going to finely chop. So I've got my pellet grill preheated on high. Now we're going to place the steaks about 4 to 6 minutes for medium rare on each side. If there are any flames coming up, feel free to move the steaks around. It's okay to pick steaks. There's going to be different hot spots on the grill. So it's been about 6 minutes. I'm going to give it a flipperoo. Oh yeah, so if you see there, you got a beautiful, nice sear and crust. That's what we want. So it's been about 6 minutes. I'm gonna make sure all the sides, including that beautiful fat cap side, gets grilled. So gotta get all sides. I have to hold it up a little bit. So we're gonna take these bad boys right off the grill. Beautiful. You always want to make sure anytime you're cooking any kind of meat that you always want to let it rest. If you were to cut it right away, all the juices are going to flood out. So it's been 15 minutes since we've allowed the potatoes to soak in this cold water. Now I'm going to take it out, put it on a sheet pan with paper towels to dry it out. Make sure you pat them dry real good. Get all the excess water out of it. Okay, so we're outside. We're gonna be double frying our frites, and we want the first fry to be, for the oil to be 325 degrees. So I got this a little bit hot. You can see it's 363. I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it cool down a bit until it hits 325. Now that the coconut oil is 325 degrees, I'm going to put in the fries. We're going to be frying this in batches. Now I'm going to let this fry for about 4 to 6 minutes at 325 degrees. So we're not trying to get the potatoes brown. So now I'm going to pull it out, place it on a paper towel, and we'll get the second batch in. It's been about 4 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to take this batch out, place it on a paper towel. So we've got the oil back up to 375 degrees. Now we're going to put the first batch in for its second fry. We're only frying this for 1 to 2 minutes here. Okay, it's looking really good. I'm going to take them out. Okay, so there you go. Got the second batch here now. Okay, nice and brown. We're going to take them out. Okay, while the frites are still hot, I'm going to put on some Parmesan cheese with that garlic. And of course, some parsley. And toss all that around. So let's plate this up. We've got our beautiful steak that has rested. Some of that Parmesan steak frites, Parmesan frites right there. And we cannot forget a beautiful dollop of grass-fed butter right on top. Bada bing, bada boom. I definitely want to try the fries first. Some salt in there. Oh yeah. Fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside. That double fry method is superb. So you've got a perfect medium rare here. Now, of course, if you want to cook yours longer, you can do so. I like my steak medium rare. I hope you give this steak and Parmesan garlic frite a try. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy eating.